Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. There's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller. I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live. We'll be focusing on 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies: major market reversal, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. We use the Fulton AI engine that sits on the Metastock platform. Just to recap, this AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of stock market indicated market relationships using genetic algorithms. So it's doing a tremendous amount of computing power to come up with those 4 AI trading strategies. In view of the weakness the last couple of days in the Nasdaq, I thought it was a great time to run the screen to find out if there's any hot new artificial intelligence generated trading ideas. Now, the AI engine that we use, let me just bring this on screen here, is the Nasdaq100 AI engine. And for those 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies that we use, major market reversal signal is 81% accurate on average, with a 13% average profit per trade over the testing period. The quick move, which is a quick swing trade strategy, is 65% accurate with the average profit per trade of 1.4%. Now, the quick move is a 3-day holding period, basically, so you're in and out on the 3rd day. The swing trade is 65% accurate on average and 2.5%. Now, these are over thousands and thousands of trades, both long and short, so you can have an idea as to how successful it is. It's very, very successful. The volatility breakout's a little bit on the low side, 51% on average, but we tend to retrain the AI to improve the signals on that one with average profit per trade of 2.5%. But nevertheless, very, very good trading statistics using the artificial intelligence engine. It took about 5 minutes and 42 seconds for the AI to run through the Nasdaq100 index members. I've got quite a lot of trades up here. There's quite a lot of new, hot, fresh ideas. If I sort the columns by bars, tells you how old the trade is. And you can see there's quite a lot of new trades. 72 new trades, or 72 trades where the AI is in a position, and 31 rejects. So you can see there's quite a lot of trades in the AI in the Nasdaq100 that the AI has generated. Now, in terms of the trading statistics, we've got ANSS here, ANSS. Now, we have accuracy. The AI here is 104, and the accuracy is 66%. You can see there's another one of 73%. Dollar Tree, that AI engine there used 73%, 76%. So you can see the trading probability of success statistics is very, very high as compared to just random coin tossing. So absolutely fantastic trading statistics using the artificial intelligence engine. So there's quite a new whole bunch of fresh trade ideas. ANSS, ANSS is the ticker. Cadence Design, CDNS. Copart, CPRT. Dollar Tree, DLTR. Exelon Corporation, EXC. Illumina, JD Sports, JD.O. Lam Research, Microchip, Micron Technologies, Monster Beverage, NXP Semiconductor, PayPal, T-Mobile, and VERI. These are all fresh trading ideas. And as for the others, we can see there's quite a lot of other ones. It's a couple of days into a trade. If we scroll down the list, you can see Apple, there's also 4 days into a trade. Comcast, eBay, all these are further down the list. Checkpoint Software, TripAdvisor, we've covered last week. AMD, we covered last week. And you can see quite a lot of fantastic, good performing trades using the artificial intelligence engine for screening the Nasdaq100. Let's jump straight into the individual stocks. So we'll start with just the one on the screen here, PayPal Holdings. We can see we've got a swing trade in here. The last swing trade worked out beautifully. You can see the May, June, July rally was caught there. It's a swing trade then. The stop loss is around about here between 260 and 265. So we have a swing trade in PayPal, and then the upside resistance targets would be this old high and that old high there. So the trade opportunity is from this current levels 289 back to 300 and 310. So that's the upside potential we see in PayPal Holdings. Next up, VERI. We can see we have a quick move. Now, the quick moves AI strategy is a trade where you're in and you hold it for about 3 days and you're out on the 4th day. So, yeah, we've got a quick trade, a quick move here. The upside potential profit target would be this old higher, that resistance zone, if I just can look at the levels there. And then the other one would be the old ultimate high there. But the quick move is just for this couple of 4 days trade to capture that move. So it's a high frequency, short-term trade using the quick move AI signal. Next up, T-Mobile, the next one, also a quick move signal. You can see we're taking a mean reversion trade here because we've had this tremendous sell-off, and now we expect a swing trade back up, and then the upside resistance targets would be these old lows there that used to be support, and those highs there. So that is the kind of upside potential swing trade in and around the current levels. And I think the stop loss is in around here at that level just there. So very wide stop loss. So this is the upside potential from 125 back up to 135, 140. That would be the quick move. Now the quick move is a swing trade. You can see how quick you sometimes have to be for the quick move. The swing trade is a little bit longer term, but the quick move is going to capture a couple of dollars to the upside on that one. So that's T-Mobile. We have a quick move signal there. Microchip, also a quick move. Now, interestingly, this stock is grinding higher, lower, higher lows all the time, but it's still stuck in this trading range with these upside resistance zones as a key level. So we'll be interested to see if it's going to get past that. So the trade now is in and around the current levels, back up to these levels here at 165, and then a breakout out of that trading range. So you manage the trade up into that level. Next up is Lam Research. Now you can see back here in September we had a phenomenal move where the swing trade AI caught the entire move all the way up until about January. In the beginning of the year, then another swing trade, another swing trade. So you can see the swing trade is a fantastic one to trade if you wanted to have a holding period of more than a couple of days, even a couple of weeks sometimes. Now we've got a quick move signal on it, so we should expect a snapback. It's at the bottom end of a trading range. So key support is around these levels. So stop loss is just around about there. Just between the quick move there, 560, 550 is there's the downside risk, and then your upside potential. The first resistance zone would be this level here at 620, and the next level is this top end of this trading base. So ideally, you'd like to trade this stock on this quick move all the way back up. First, see to get through the 617 resistance zone, and then upside of the top here we need to see to get past the 657 resistance zone. So I would take half the trade off at that level and then wait for that breakout to continue that move, because we expect a breakout and then a kind of a move like an upward continuation pattern, upward movement sideways and then up. But so far the AI has identified some fantastic trading ideas on Lam Research. Next up, Illumina. Here we go. Quick move. Last swing trade got stopped out there. We've got a quick move in. You've got a trailing stop here, right down here between 420 and 410. And then the upside potential would be to close this gap. So the first level of resistance would be that level there, and then ultimately that high there. So this is the upside potential in and around the current levels, back up to 490, and then 525 is the upside resistance targets for that one. But we can see we've had some really great trades on Illumina using the AI. Next up is Exelon Corporation. Quick move, a little bit extended up here. I would think it's quite a risky trade to take up here. Let's go and take a look at the 4 hour. If there's anything more interesting on that side. See, the 4 hour would load. Takes a while. There we go. So another quick volatility breakout. You can see if you were trading it intraday, lots of volatility breakouts. So we have to take comfort in the fact that we've got a volatility breakout on a 4 hour and a quick move on an end of day. So this would be interesting to see if we're going to see a follow through of that move to the upside. But nevertheless, a quick move there with a target of this old high would be your first resistance target to see if it will break past that zone. Right, next up is Dollar Tree DLTR, I think. DLTR, where's the ticker? Yeah, DLTR. Quick move to the upside. I expect this gap to close at some point. So the stop loss is in around between 84 and 85. Quick move to the upside. Your first resistance zone would be that level. Now, quick move is a quick 3-day trade, 3 to 4 days trade. So that's the upside potential there. I doubted whether a quick move signal would give an entire move up to that level. But you can see things we'd like to see as a major market reversal or a swing trade. But you can see some of the other ones. That swing trade worked out nicely. Their volatility breakout, major reversal worked out nicely. Quick move worked out nicely. Their swing trade there failed. That one worked. And that swing trade failed. Gap down. A short idea there to the downside. That's worked out well. Volatility breakout can still stand if you think about it, because volatility spiked in the stock. But that's the upside potential, is this move to the upside. Right, Copart CPRT is the next one. Gap down, but swing trade here, so it should be in for a couple of more days. The old high here would be your resistance levels to watch out for. So we have a swing trade position here with a trading stop loss around about there at 135. So watch out for that. We'll see if that one's going to gap back, close that gap, and then re-attempt that high. But you can see the AI is really trading very nicely on Copart. You get major market reversal back here, worked out well. That was the March COVID sell-off. You can see volatility's increased, and then the AI has automatically adjusted the stop loss to accommodate for the increased volatility now, because the AI is very dynamic. It would watch the volatility and adjust accordingly. So the April, May, June, July, August, September rally, beautiful rally there on a major market reversal signal, then a swing trade signal more recently. Also fantastic, captured most of that move. Now we have a new swing trade move, and if Coparts can break out of this trading range to the upside, we should see this leg projected on top of that. So the stock can add another couple of $50 on top of this current move. So watch this one very closely from a swing trade perspective. Next up is NXP Semiconductor. So here we go. Quick move to the upside. Stop losses around about there. And we have the old higher. That would be your resistance zone to look out for. That spinning top there. So that's the quick move we're anticipating. We're looking for that kind of price movement there. Also another stock that traded very, very nicely on the major market reversal. You can see this all captured the entire rally last year. And now it's moving sideways in the base. Very choppy trade. So there's lots of swing trades within that trading base. But we like basing stocks because when they break out, they tend to have a fantastic rally. So that's NXP Semiconductor. NXPI is the ticker on that one. Monster Beverages also having a quick move to the upside there. Old highs here would be the resistance zone. So that cluster of resistance there stays in place. So that's the upside profit target we have on the swing trade. And then there's a wide trailing stop loss at between 90 and 89.95. So also another one where you can see the previous trend captured a very major market reversal. A fantastic trade there. We like those major market reversals because you can stay in a trade for much longer. But Monster Beverages, quick move there, 3-day trade out on the 4th day in around those old resistance levels is your trading strategy there. Micron Technology, what a beauty trading this one with artificial intelligence. Major market reversal back here after that huge COVID sell-off. Captured that entire move all the way from this level here at what, 35 all the way up to 85. Absolutely fantastic move using the AI. Then it's drifting sideways, couple of swing trades there. 2 worked out, 2 didn't, and now we have a quick move. You can see how quick that move is. If I zoom in here a little bit, you can see a quick move, and now we have another quick move. And then the upside would be this resistance zone. That's the support zone there, so it's going to break past that cluster there. That would be the upside target there. You have a stop loss in and around there. But that's the quick move we're looking for, is from this current level up until the old highs as the resistance level. But nevertheless, Micron Technology is absolutely fantastic trade using the AI on MU.O is the ticker there. JD Sports is an ADR. Here we go. Quick move swing trade. You can see plenty of very volatile stock. Plenty of trades here. Swing trades worked out well. Volatility breakouts worked out well. You can see historically swing trade. Even that last volatility breakout worked well. Now, if you're very aggressive, you can use the sell signals as short selling, but I wouldn't necessarily do that in the current Fed-induced liquidity bubble. But we've got a last swing trade worked out well. We've got in here just about 65, out around about 80. And now we have a new quick move swing trade in. So the target there would be, that's the trading stop losses around about there. Let me just zoom in a little bit. And then we can see the old highs here would be your cluster of resistance, that level there. And that level there, we take the higher the candle there just to kind of have a range. So that's the swing trade. 47, 40, 75, up till about 80, 85. That's the upside target for the swing, the quick move. Now, the quick move is a quick trade. Hey, it's into on the next day after the signal, out on the 3rd or 4th day. And you can just move your trailing stop loss up. So JD Sports ADR. JD.O is the ticker there, depending if you're on the Reuters platform or not. ANSS, ANSS, another one, swing trade there. So this one should last a couple of more days, and the upside resistance targets would be these old highs here. So its stock is kind of in a base, if you want to look at it from a from a technical analysis point of view. So it's forming a new base, maybe a double bottom base breakout. So the swing trade here is from this current level up until the first resistance zone would be 376 and 378, these old highs here, and then the next resistance zone will be this old high here. We take that level there to give you an idea as to where the resistance is. So that's the swing trade. First level to navigate the trade through that breakout there, and then the upside target there would be 405, the upside to the upside there. So that's kind of what we're looking for in this one. But you can see the previous swing trade worked out well. May all profitable, August also profitable. This swing trade got stopped out there. March 1, swing trade up in November, October, all working out beautifully. So ANSS, ANSS. .O is the ticker there. Also fantastic trade using the AI on that one. The last one is Cadence Design, CDNS. So we've got a quick move at the top end of the chart. It will be interesting to see if we get a follow through of that signal today. The quick move would be back up to these old highs here. So that's the swing trade from 180 to 160 to 178, 170 would be the first move on that one. So also fantastic trade. Quick moves, quick swing trades, yeah, worked out well. That one got stopped out depending if you were acting on the AI's sell signal or trailing stop, all depending on your own risk management, how you manage your own risk trading. But you can see we had quite a lot of fantastic trades using the artificial intelligence engine on Cadence Design. And incidentally, the Cadence Design signal is 106, which is a quick move. It's on average 76% accurate in the testing periods, with 466 times of occurring. That's probably out of 10,000 trades. So you can see we are looking at high probability trades, so to speak. But that's the list. So you run the screen, load the Fulgent AI on Metastock, select the Nasdaq100, and off you go. Takes a few minutes to run through the screen, and then you have 4 different type AI strategies to cater for 4 different types of trading styles, whether you swing trade, short-term trader, or a long-term trader. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3 for 1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3 for 1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of 1 deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, this side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got 2 options for the buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on Metastock platform. Just to end the show, these are the names again: ANSS, Cadence Design, Copart, Dollar Tree, Exelon, Corporation, Illumina, JD Sports, Lam Research, MCHP, Micron, Monster Beverages, NXP, PYPL, T-Mobile, and you can go on with the list, VERI, Cisco, etc. Quite a long list to look at, and you can see the AI is really chucking off some really good profits using artificial intelligence. Join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now.